Okay, so we are in chapter 4. All right, chapter 4, section 1, where we're talking about work and power. There's a little bit in here we're going to skip, but we are going to go on and make the outline. So notice you have work and power. This will be Roman numeral 1. And then we have our blue heading. Remember, the blue headings are capital letters. And then we have work and motion will be number 1. And then jumping over to page 99, we have number 2 and number 3. Okay. Now, we have one definition on these 2 pages. That definition is right here. So we'll use that, and then we'll pull a fact from each of these paragraphs. So this is going to be pretty easy because as we find, we only have 2 vocabulary words in this whole section anyway. And the concept really isn't that difficult. So all right, so we have Roman numeral 1, work and power. Under that, we have our blue heading A. What is work? Okay, we have a definition there. So we're going to have a lowercase a, skip 2 lines, and then we're going to have number 1. Our red heading is work and motion. Okay, we're going to pull one fact out of this section, and then we're going to go to the next page where we have our next red heading, which is applying force in doing work. Let's skip 2 empty lines. Okay, we have one paragraph. It refers to a figure, figure 2. So we will just have one fact. And we have number 3, which is force in 2 directions. Okay, so that also refers to a figure. So getting these notes down is going to be pretty darn easy. Let's see. Okay, now we turn the page, and after force in 2 directions, we have a blue heading. Now let's remember what is our blue heading. That's going to be our capital letter. We already have capital A, so calculating work will be capital B. And then we start over again and say that work and distance is number 1. So we're going to skip a space here, and we're going to say capital B, which is calculating work. Okay, and we do not have a definition, but we do have a formula. So we're going to put the formula there when we go to actually take our notes. And we have our number 1, so let's leave space here to put our formula. And then we have number 1, which is work and distance. And we're going to save room for a fact there. All right. And that's it. That was easy. All right, now we did have in these pages, we have math problems here. Okay, so you can imagine that we're going to use this formula. And then we skipped back here. We had, oh, no other math. Okay, good. All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow.